Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 150,000 miles on the odometer. Take a closer look at this striking Chevrolet Avalanche, the full-size utility vehicle that blends pickup capability with SUV comfort and style. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, heated mirrors, power passenger seat, premium sound system, fog lamps, satellite radio, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, alarm, power driver seat. Tackle the demands of your busy life with ease in this comfortable Avalanche. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.